Hello students and friends, I came back with a wonderful topic which is shortest distance between skew lines. It is a very important topic for JEE. If you take recent JEE examination 2024 phase 1, in each 3 papers, one paper conformly this topic question is asking. So without any delay, let us see the topic and solve a problem on this. Shortest distance between skew lines. So shortest distance means we know shortest distance will occurs along the normal. Skew lines means what? Skew lines means the lines are a pair of lines which are neither parallel nor intersect. This will happen in 3 dimension only. Now how to find out the distance between skew lines we can see. Now consider 2 skew lines. Here I am taking 2 lines here which are neither parallel nor intersect. So this is line 1 can be written in the Cartesian form x minus alpha 1 by a1, y minus beta 1 by b1, z minus gamma 1 by c1. Means the line is passing through a point. Consider the point is P, alpha 1 comma beta 1 comma gamma 1, and having the directional vector d1 which is nothing but a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap. Same way you can consider line 2 in Cartesian form x minus alpha 2 by a2, y minus beta 2 by b2, z minus gamma 2 by c2. Means the line is passing through the point q, alpha 2, beta 2, gamma 2, and having the directional vector d2 which is a2 I cap plus b2 j cap plus c2 k cap. Now we need to find out the shortest distance between these two lines. Generally shortest distance between any two lines exist along the normal. Consider a normal here. So now I am considering this is the normal vector. Consider as n bar. So shortest distance exists along this n bar. How can we find? Further, just join the points PQ. So we can use the concept of projection here. So projection of PQ on n bar will give you shortest distance between the lines. So the formula for projection of a bar on b bar, we know a bar dot b bar by mod b bar. Same way we can find out the shortest distance between skew lines by using the concept of projection. So projection of PQ on n bar will give you shortest distance. So means PQ dot n bar by mod n bar. This is the actual formula we have to use for finding the shortest distance between skew lines. In many reference books differently they will tell, but this small formula if we are remembering, then we can able to find out the shortest distance between skew lines. All the JEE questions we can able to solve. Here you need to note what is n bar. N bar is the vector which is perpendicular to both d1 and d2. So d1 cross d2 will be your n bar. So we know how to find a cross b. Same like that we can find d1 cross d2. So first row we will take I, j, k's, and second row we will take the coefficients of d1 which is a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Same way we know how to find determinant, so we get here n bar. Once you get n bar, PQ is nothing but the distance between the 2 points we easily find here. Okay, so PQ dot n bar will give you numerator and mod n bar will give you denominator. So this formula will enough to solve so many questions in the JEE examination. Now, how to apply this formula in examination? So let us see. I have a question here which is asked in the IIT exam, so we can solve this question. So in front of your screen you are seeing this question. If the line, they have given one line and this line intersect, they are intersecting, then what is the value of k asking here? So this is take as L1, this is L2, so these two are intersecting means these two are not skew lines, so shortest distance between the skew lines is 0, we can apply. Okay, so we can take directly shortest distance is equal to 0. So shortest distance formula is nothing but, so if you draw diagram, so it will be easy to understand also. So write the point P here. P is nothing but numerator of the first lines you can make equal to 0. So we get here 1 minus 1 and 1. And here we get D1 also. D1 is nothing but denominators you can put ijk's. So 2i plus 3j plus 4k. And second line is passing through the point Q. How we get Q? Just numerator you equate to 0. So 3 and k 0 will come. Here directional vector which is D2 can be obtained by taking the ijk's with the denominators. So I plus 2j plus k. So if you join PQ, this PQ projection will be taken on this normal. Okay, so let us call the normal is, we can take here normal, we have here n bar. So formula is nothing but PQ dot n bar by mod n bar is equal to 0. From this we can get directly PQ dot n bar is equal to 0. So PQ is nothing but, now we can take it as equation 1. PQ we can find, PQ is nothing but unit position vector we can find, that's all. So just the corresponding values you can subtract 3 minus 1i plus k minus of minus plus 1j. You see the Q and P here plus 0 minus 1 k. So which is nothing but 2i plus k plus 1 into j minus k. This is your PQ, and n bar is nothing but D1 cross D2. So I, j, k, D1 means 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. This can be obtained as I into 3 minus 8 which is minus 5 minus j into 2 minus 4 plus k into 4 minus 3. So this will be simply minus 5i plus 2j plus k. So now PQ dot n bar we have to find out. PQ dot n bar we can take as 0. So corresponding I quotients, j quotients, k quotients multiply and add, that's all. So 2 into minus 5 plus k plus 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1 is equal to 0, which is minus 10 plus 2k plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0, which is giving you 9 by 2. So that is our option C. That's all. So I hope you understand what is the shortest distance between skew lines concept, and we have solved one question on this also. So you please solve so many questions available from this topic. Previous year question you can take and solve, so that this simple formula you can try to apply and get the answers. So that's all. I hope you understand this topic. If you understand, so please like the video and share to your friends.